In this lecture, we will learn about inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and functions from another class. It allows us to reuse and share code between classes. For this lecture, we will be creating a new example, different from the one we have been using in the last lectures. To start out, we will create a class named shape. Inside of this class, we will have the init function that will take in two parameters, self and color. Inside of the init function, we will set self.color equal to color. This shape class will be the base class for the other classes we write. One type of shape is a square. Let's create a class named square. We want our square class to be a shape, so how do we use inheritance here? In Python, we specify the base class inside of parentheses right after the class name. So right after the name of the square class, we need a set of parentheses, inside of which will go shape, the name of the class that this class will inherit from. Then we will have the init function, which will take in two parameters, self and side length. Inside of this function, we will set self.sidelength equal to side length. Another type of shape is a circle. Let's create a class named circle that will extend the shape class. Inside of this function, we'll go an init function that takes in the parameters self and radius. Inside of the init function, we will set self.radius equal to radius. Now we can instantiate the objects for these shapes. Let's create a variable named square and set it to a square object with a value of 4 passed in for the side length. Based on the concept of inheritance, our square should have access to the shape class's color attribute. For example, we can type square.color and set it equal to the string blue. Please note the significance of this. The square class does not explicitly define the color attribute, but it inherits from the shape class. In a similar way, we can create a variable named circle and set it equal to a circle object with 2 passed in as the radius. Then we will set circle.color equal to the string value red. In the next lecture, we will learn about composition.